Herein, we will be understanding your rational number. So rational numbers are numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So basically, they are talking about fractions. P divided by q. P is an variable and q is an variable, and there is a line between them. So p by q is nothing but you have numerator and a denominator. Right? Basically, such numbers are your rational numbers. Example is 2 by 3. 2 is your numerator and 3 is your denominator. 4 by 9. 4 is your numerator and 9 is your denominator. Even the number 3, 3, 4, even they can be written in the form of a numerator divided by a denominator. But we don't see any denominator over here. How is that this 3, this 4, minus 5, such numbers, or minus 51 are rational numbers? Because there is no denominator, no? Well, we can write them as 3 divided by, can you guess? 1, 4 divided by 1, minus 51 divided by 1. So even positive integers, negative integers, 0 to is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 divided by 1 or 100, whatever you want it to be. Is it not? Right? So all of this are your rational number. So there is classification of rational number to what? To terminating and non-terminating recurring. Right? What does it mean? Have you heard of the movie Terminator? Right? Something basically it means in a layman term, it means to stop, make things stop. So what stops? And in this case, it doesn't stop, non-stopping or unstoppable or something like that. Okay, so what stops over here and what does not stop over here? Let's have a look. If I take see, basically they are fractions. That's what we're talking about. If I take something like 4 divided by 5. What is 4 divided by 5? 4 divided by 5 is, I know it's easy to divide, but still I'm showing 0.8. So I'll show you a few more example and then explain. 346 divided by say 25. So 346 divided by 25 is 13.85. 84, I guess. Yeah. Now, I'll take some very basic number, which is not an example of terminating. 1 divided by 3. Can you do it on a paper? Can you pause and try it out? 1 divided by 3. What will it give you? 0.33333. Okay, that's a lot of number, is it not? Right? 1 divided by 3 gives you 0.3333. It will never end. So are you able to understand what ends and what does not end? When you divide a fraction, right, the decimal form will end. Even your something like 10 divided by 2. This is 5. This is terminating. This is stopping, There's no recurring number like 3333 came, right? 1 divided by 3. This will never stop. You can divide and try it out. It will never stop. But here there is a definite end. Here too there is a definite end. But in non-terminating recurring numbers, there's no there's no stop to that. There's no stop of writing that. So the recurring part is nothing but the repetition. You have a definite repetition. Here we are definite that 3 will occur repeatedly. If I go with something like 1 divided by 7, 0.428, 0.142857, 142857, 142857. So what is recurring over here? 1 by 7 is nothing but 0.142857, again 142857. So this part is recurring all the time. This is repeating all the time. Here 3 is repeating all the time. Okay, so to indicate that this bunch of numbers is repeating, and never stopping, we put a bar on that indicating it is recurring. Now this is repeating. When I put a bar on 3, we are indicating that the 3 will keep coming. Okay, so we'll understand and we'll see a lot of example on this, right? But you need to understand that what is a rational number, and that rational number has further classification as terminating and non-terminating. Terminating is when you post division, right? The decimals what you get will stop, right? In non-terminating recurring, it will never stop. There is a particular set of number that will keep coming back. We are sure of that, what numbers will keep coming back. And we indicate that, okay, this set of numbers will keep coming back. This is the pattern of numbers that keeps coming back. We put a bar, okay? So in the next section, we'll look into irrational numbers. So we have looked at natural, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. In the next section, we'll understand irrational numbers, and after that, we'll start with your problems, okay?